Students, now very most important topic, that is strong reducer. Strong reducer, that is lithium aluminum hydride act as a strong reducing agent. Lithium aluminum hydride act as a strong reducing agent. It reduces aldehydes and ketones and acid derivatives, esters, amides, cyanides, isocyanate, like that. I am giving simple trick, student. First one, that lithium aluminum hydride. In lithium aluminum hydride, lithium is positive charge and aluminum also positive charge, but hydrogens are negative charge. You remember, student, out of these three, lithium, in lithium aluminum hydride, lithium is positive charge, aluminum also positive charge, and hydrogens are negative charge, that is hydride, that is lithium aluminum hydride, that is hydrogen having negative charge. You remember, student, first that is in lithium aluminum hydride reduce one second, student. It reduce, that is aldehyde group, and second one is it reduce keto group also. Now third one is it can reduce acid groups also, and it can reduce lithium aluminum hydride can reduce, that is ester groups also, and it can reduce, that is acid derivative, that is acid chloride, also. And next one, lithium aluminum hydride can reduce, that is acid anhydride also, that is means acidic anhydride also, and it can reduce, that is cyanide groups also, that is cyano group also. Lithium aluminum hydride can reduce isocyanide group also. Then lithium aluminum hydride can reduce, that is oxime also, that is RCH double bond NOH oxime also, and it can reduce, that is nitro group also, or NO2, it can reduce nitro group also. Lithium aluminum hydride can reduce, that is RONO also, and lithium aluminum hydride can reduce, that is RN3, that means azide group also, RN3 also, and it can reduce, that is amide group also, that is RCONH2 also. These are the important functional groups, students. Lithium aluminum hydride can reduce these following compounds, and one more point, student, it is very most important point, student. Lithium aluminum hydride cannot reduce double bond and triple bond. Cannot reduce. Once again, student, that is lithium aluminum hydride. I am writing, student. Lithium aluminum hydride cannot reduce double bond and triple bond also, it is very most important, student. Lithium aluminum cannot reduce double bond, carbon double bond and carbon triple bond, you remember, student. So I gave only simple trick, student. You remember these following functional groups, student. That is first one, when aldehyde react with lithium aluminum hydride, first one, student, when aldehyde react with lithium aluminum hydride in the presence of acidic hydrogen H plus, it give primary alcohols, and ketones react with lithium aluminum hydride in the presence of acidic hydrogen, it gives, that is secondary alcohols, and acid group also, carboxylic acid group react with lithium aluminum hydride in the presence of acidic hydrogen, it gives, that is also giving primary alcohols. Ester also giving same thing, student, that is primary alcohols. So bond cleavage here, it giving primary alcohols, and acid derivative, that is acid chloride also react with lithium aluminum hydride, it gives primary alcohols, and acidic anhydride also giving, react with lithium aluminum hydride giving primary alcohols, they also giving primary alcohols, and cyanide group also it giving, cyanide group react with lithium aluminum hydride in the presence of acidic hydrogen, it gives primary amines or CH2NH2. Next, isocyanide react with lithium aluminum hydride. In the presence of acidic hydrogen, it gives, that is, secondary amines. It gives secondary amine. It is primary amines, it is secondary amines. So it is very most important, student. Cyanide reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, it gives primary amines. Isocyanide reduction with lithium aluminum hydride to give secondary amines. Next, oxime, student, it is also giving primary amines, or CH2NH2, it is also giving primary amines. And next one, nitro group reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, it gives, it is also giving primary amines, it is also giving primary amines 1 degree. And nitrito, it is very most important, so LiAlH4 by H plus, it giving alcohols. You remember, student, nitrito, it giving alcohols, lithium aluminum hydride react with RONO, it giving primary alcohols 1 degree. And azide also, when azide react with lithium aluminum hydride, it is also giving primary amines, it is also giving primary amines. Next, amide also react with lithium aluminum hydride, it gives primary amines or CH2NH2 or CH2NH2, student. But alkenes and alkynes, means double bond, carbon carbon double bond and carbon carbon triple bond, cannot reduce with lithium aluminum hydride. It is very most important, student. Lithium aluminum hydride cannot reduce double bond and triple bond. It is very most important, student. This is the simple trick for reducing agent of lithium aluminum hydride. This lithium aluminum hydride acts as a strong reducer. It reduces functional groups, that is aldehydes, ketones, acid group, ester groups, and cyano group, isocyanide, etc. These are the important functional groups, student. This is the simple trick for reducing, strong reducing agents, student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment, and thanks for watching, student. If you like my video, please click on like. Thank you.